Hi friends, welcome to Nisha's Food Hut. Today we are going to see an easy snack recipe, especially for kids. It's Chana Dal fry recipe. For that I have taken Chana Dal 1 cup that I have soaked 2 hours. If you can see, the chanas are breaking when it is pressed. So it's the perfect time to drain the water, and we are just going to dry the chana for 15 to 20 minutes in a cotton cloth. So drain the soaked water. Now you can see there are little water and moisture in the chana, so that for drying it I am going to use a cotton cloth, and I am going to just spread it evenly for the chana to dry well. You can dry it under a fan for 15 to 20 minutes. So now the chana is ready to get dried. After 15 to 20 minutes, let's check the moisture of the chana. Spread it evenly for a quick dry. Now after 20 minutes, you can see that the chana has almost dried fully. It's moving separately. So it's the perfect time for the chana to get fried. So now I'm just gathering all the chanas together. You can see the chanas are not sticking. It has dried well. So now we can fry the chana by batch. So out of 1 cup of chana, I'm going to take half a cup of it for frying. The oil is medium hot. I'm going to use a steel drainer for the chana to get cooked, so that it will be easy for us to drain the oil. Or if you don't have a steel sieve, it's okay for you to add the chana directly to the oil. So now you can see the bubbles are getting very active while frying. We have to wait till the bubbles reduce to 90% and the color of the chana will be a golden color. So now you can see the bubbles are almost subsided. Now we are going to just give a good mix and see how the chana has got fried. It's uniform in color. Please do fry the balanced chana as such. Drain the oil well. Or you can also use tissue paper to drain the oil. But for your kind information, this chana doesn't drink much oil. It doesn't absorb oil. So it is good for us to deep fry the chana as well. I'm going to just dispose the chana from the strainer to a tissue paper plate. So now let us leave the chana to get cool. As you can see, all the chana dals are fried uniformly with no over frying. After frying all the chana dal, I'm going to add 1 garlic with the skin in the oil to fry it properly till the bubbles subside. So now the garlic is ready. You can drain the oil and keep it aside. We are going to mix it with the chana dal. After switching the stove, I'm having 2 sprigs of curry leaves to get fried in the oil. Fry till the curry leaves turns crisp. So the curry leaves are fried well. Now it's time to add masalas to the chana dal. The dals are crisp. I'm adding 1/4 spoon of red chilli powder, 2 pinches of Asafoetida powder, garlic that we have fried and kept, and finally the curry leaves which we have fried in the oil. We have to just give a crush and add it to the chana dal. And finally we are going to add salt, which is required to prepare the snacks. So now I'm just giving a good mix so that the masalas are well mixed. It's very easy to prepare and healthy for kids too. Please do try this chana dal fry recipe at home and do update your feedbacks in the comment section. Stay connected to Nisha's Food Hut, and please do all let me know what are the most favorite recipes of yours that I can post in the future videos. Please press the bell icon below and get my videos through notifications. Thanks for watching. Stay connected. Thank you.